Sometimes you find yourself in the middle of nowhere, and sometimes in the middle of nowhere you find yourself. We are on the road of Sylhet to Jaflong. It is also known as Shapla Bil Road. This highway is one of the busiest highway in Sylhet, as well most beautiful highway. But we are not going to Jaflong nor the Shapla Bil Dauki border. Today we are heading to the Jointapur Dibir Haor. It is a beautiful tourist spot surrounded by the mountain at the foot of Meghalaya state of India. This haor also known as Shapla Bil. Hundreds of tourists arrive here each day to enjoy the scenic beauty of Dibir Haor. There are also 4 lakes named Dibir Bil, Yam Bil, Harfata Bil and Kendriya Bil surrounding Dibir Haor from all around. During winter season, these bills wear an attractive look with the blooming of water lilies, and the entire place looks like a carpet decorated with red water lilies. Red water lilies are generally seen between September and December. If you want to capture the enchanting images of the flower, you have to reach Dibir Haor before the sun rises. No tourist can forget the moment of watching red water lilies in the morning while staying here. After enjoying a refreshing morning, we are heading back to Sylhet. If you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel videos. See you in the next video.